the budget time once again, and let's speak about some of the key changes for financial services and funds. First of all, buyback tax has been amended and buybacks have now become more attractive as compared to dividends because the rate of buyback tax for minority investors is now 12.5. For promoters, the rate is higher so that they cannot misuse the buyback route as a way of tax arbitrage. So for Indian promoters, the rate is 22%. For foreign promoters, the rate becomes 30%. I think this is a great move which brings more equity to buyback taxation. Number two, rates on STT, unlike expectation for reduction, have been increased, more for futures and lesser for options to some extent. Long-term investors should not be too impacted by this, but for hedgers, HFT guys, algo guys, and those who frequently trade in derivatives, their costs will increase, making them to change, realign some of their strategies. I think this has been done to further reduce speculation in the market. Third, an interesting development relates to the NRI PIS route, where it seems foreign citizens can now invest under the PIS route just like NRIs, bringing them a way to access Indian markets without opening custody accounts. I think that's a great move. And finally, on GIFT City, the tax holiday has been increased from 10 years to 20 years and further lower rate of 15% after the 20 years. I think that should boost investments and businesses in the GIFT City. Thank you.